Hello again. Thank you for watching this channel. And just today we're going to solve a question from 2022 VCE methods, but I think it's a specialist as well. Exam paper 2. This question is involved with some difficult inverse as well as the determine the integration of 1 divided by EX plus 1. So how we do that? Before we starting our solutions, can you please be reminded to subscribe to this channel? It does show how you support this channel continue to grow because it does take time to produce all the videos. Now, so far we got about more than 100 videos. So if you want to continue use this channel to revise your maths, especially high-level maths, you probably need to subscribe to this. Doesn't cost you anything. Just keep it the latest up the video to update, so you can easily to access the latest video. So please do so if you haven't done so. Thank you. Today we're going to show you how to find the first. We got a original fx is log. So this look like pretty long, but it's not really. I'm going to change to len, and so that's better. Okay. So first we need to define what is the derivative f when x equals to 0. Okay, let's do the differentiation. Pretty simple. Fx differentiate is 1 over the x plus half, and the same as the other one. But when you do differentiate the second one, you need to put negative become positive because here is a negative. So you got a composite differentiation. So the answer will be multiplied by 2, so we can common factors, common denominator. So the answer will be -2, -4. So when we plug 0 in, so the answer should be +4. So question 1B1 pretty simple. Question B2, we want to find what is the domain, maximum domain for the f strictly increasing. We know when fx increasing, we need to know the derivative function is positive. So we solve that. So because of this is a negative, so therefore the denominator must be negative. So we solve for quadratic negatives. So the x has to be between -half and a +half, but do not include it that -half or +half. So that's an open circle. Now it must be less than 0, so it's between. So that's domain. Question C, we want to show fx plus f0x, negative x. So remember negative x equal to 0. Well, let's do the fx first. I'm going to combine the fx 2 log become 1 log because of, so we use the log a minus log b equal to log a divided by b. So don't forget to use that. Or if it's plus, it's a multiplication. So those two rules are the log laws. So we combine them two together. The negative fx, just substitute x, become negative x. So we combine them together, combine them together, you can see here, that's a plus, so we become product. Once you product, so those cancel. So become log 1. So log 1 is 0. So it's confirmed. All right, so the next one is we need to find the domain, and we need to find the inverse of f. So it means we need to determine what is inverse of f. So in order to do inverse, I'm going to let fx to y. So y is a log. So we undo the log. So this equal to e to the power y. So we move this to the right, multiply, then expand in brackets, then move y to the other side. I'll move x to the other side, take the x out, 2x out. So finally, x become half of that. So then we swap x with y, because if on the inverse, swap x, y. So this is the inverse y equal to half e x, e to the power x minus 1 e x to the positive 1 plus 1. So domain is infinity, left and right infinity. So that's the inverse. Now we're going to see, we determine what is the integration of the inverse. So this is pretty difficult to do. Let's see if I can show you how to do this. I'm going to integrate this. Then I'll move half to the outside. Now, can you see I'm going to plus 1 minus 2. The reason I'm going to separate ex plus 1, x plus 1 cancel, become 1 minus 2 divided by e to the power of x plus 1. So this is first one's pretty simple. Oh, the second one, I'm missing something, should be 2 here. So here should be 2. So I'm going to decide what is this. So this is the difficult one. What is the integration of this? So I'm going to say I1. So I'm going to use the substitution methods. So can you see I'm using the substitution using u to the e to the power of x. So du dx is same, do ex. So therefore dx is e to the power of negative x du. So therefore negative e to the power of negative x is e to the power u to the power of negative 1. So I'm going to substitute into I1. So this become u, and dx become u to the power of negative 1 times by du. So u to negative 1 become u underneath denominator. So I'm going to separate, this is a partial fraction. I'm going to separate this 2 become 1 over u minus 1 over u plus 1. So now pretty simple way to integrate it. So become log u, and log u become log ex, put back ex, and this one. So the answer will be I1 will be x minus log ex plus 1 plus c1. Now, I forgot that should be 2. So this is c1. Should be double, put a 2 there. So therefore, the final answer should be negative 3 over 2 x, right? Then should be minus 2 that plus c. So that's the final answer for the I. So thank you for watching, and this part is a little bit difficult to do. So this is the main focus. I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is a pretty long question, so I appreciate your time. And if you can give us the thumbs up, and I shall see you next time. Bye-bye.